In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of OPPO K13X 5G phone. I bought this phone during the big billion sale for approximately 10,000. If you club with any offers, you can get it for under 9k also. The box of OPPO K13X 5G looks like this. On the box itself, they have given some of the important features of this phone: damage proof armor body, IP65 water and dust resistance, 6000 mAh, large battery, and you have 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel portrait camera. On the back side, the box looks like this, and here you can see that I have ordered the Breeze blue color, and the variant which I have ordered is 6GB 128GB, and you also have 8GB variant in this phone, and this phone is made in India. So without wasting any time, let's open the phone. On opening the box, you will find another small box. In this, you will find the case, and also you will get the quick start guide. Here is a quick start guide, and here is a TPU case. The build quality of the case is not good, so you need to buy a good quality case. Here you can see that the build quality is not good. And here is the phone. As I said, I have ordered the Breeze blue color variant. These are the Breeze blue color looks. Let's keep the phone aside. Inside you will get USB type A to type C cable. Here you can see that. And also you will get a 45 watts travel adapter. Here you can see SuperVOOC 45 watts travel adapter, and also you will get the SIM ejector tool with this phone. Since OPPO K13X 5G has a 6000 mAh battery, you can see the bulkiness of this phone. This phone is bulky. Let's turn on the phone. You can see the OPPO logo. OPPO K13X 5G runs on ColorOS. Let's go to the setup process. Click on next and select the language and select the region. Click on next, click on next, click on skip. If you have Wi-Fi, connect to the Wi-Fi network. Click on next. Click on don't copy. If you want, you can sign into your Google account. Otherwise, simply click on skip. Click on skip. Now it will ask you to set the password, whether it may be password, fingerprint or face unlock. I will do this step later. Click on skip. Click on accept. Uncheck the apps and click on OK. It will ask you to sign into your OPPO account. I will do this later. So I'm going to click on skip. Uncheck all the services. Click on agree. Select whether you want button navigation or gesture navigation. I am going with button navigation. Click on done. Click on get started. And here you can see that the phone has been booted up. Here you can see that there are a lot of third-party apps which are installed on the phone. Here you can see Spotify and a lot of games which you don't require, so you need to uninstall them. Now let's open settings and check the version of Android, and scroll all the way down and click on about device, and under about device you need to click on version. Here you can see the version of Android, it is 15. Go back and check if there is an update for your phone. Under settings itself, you will find system and update. Click on that and click on software update. Now it will check if there is an update for your phone. Now you can see the message version is up to date. Now let's open the camera and take some sample photos. Since OPPO K13X 5G is a budget smartphone, you cannot expect good quality photos from this phone. Let's take photos using the rear camera. It has a 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth camera. The photos taken on the rear camera is good compared to the front facing camera. Now let's look at the physical overview of this phone. This phone has a big display, 6.67 inch LCD display. On the front you will find 8 megapixel front facing camera, and coming to the back, on the back you have the dual camera setup. One is a 50 megapixel main camera and one is a 2 megapixel depth camera, and here you can see the flash, and here you can see the OPPO branding. On the right side of the phone, you will find the volume rockers up and down, and you have the power button. On the top, you don't find any buttons. And coming to the bottom, you have the speaker grill, Type-C port for charging, and headphone jack. and on the left side you will find the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. You will receive this SIM eject tool inside the box. Use the tool and open the SIM tray. Here you can see the SIM tray. You can either use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card, 1 micro SD card. I have inserted my SIM. Once you insert the SIM, you will get the network on the top right. I have ordered some good quality case on Amazon. Till I get the new case, I am going to use the default case which I got with the phone. For those who are looking to buy a good Android phone under budget which ticks all the boxes, you can definitely consider buying OPPO K13X 5G during this big billion sale. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of OPPO K13X 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.